Hello, welcome to Hennepin Marine. This is a 2025 Excel 1860 Viper F4. This boat is shown in the new Matrix camouflage color with the khaki brown interior paint. We have a matching camo LED bow headlight, optional troller kit here at the front, 2 seats on board. We have spud poles. We have the port side live well right over here in this compartment. And we have the kick-up transom option. Equip this boat with your choice of outboard motor. Hennepin Marine is a Mercury outboard dealer. We'll be happy to get you a quote on a Mercury outboard for this boat. Welcome aboard the Viper 1860. At the bow we have our LED camo headlight, optional troller kit, heavy duty bow rails on both sides, bow fishing seat here. This can be removed, of course. That's a nice step up bow deck. Interior is all linered, so it's non-skid. Rod gun storage box there. Navigation lights in that storage area also. Port side live well option. Right here, your aerator and bilge pump. And then right next to the driver's seat here, small cubby hole for storage. You have a shell holder there on the starboard side of the boat and your spud poles. This boat can accept up to a 75 horsepower outboard. Give us a call or send us a text to Hennepin Marine. We'll be happy to put a quote together for you. 815-925-7216.